Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not you can use Grabpay without a credit card. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get into the main topic, let's take a quick look at what Grabpay is. Grabpay is a digital wallet that you can use to pay for your Grab rides, food deliveries, and other Grab services. It's a really convenient way to pay for things, and it's also very secure. Can you use Grabpay without a credit card? The short answer is yes, you can use Grabpay without a credit card. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. You will need to link a bank account to your Grabpay wallet. This will allow you to add money to your wallet and make payments. You will not be able to use your Grabpay card to make online purchases. You can only use it to pay for Grab services. There are some limits to how much money you can add to your Grabpay wallet. The exact limits will vary depending on your country and your bank. How to add money to your Grabpay wallet without a credit card. There are a few different ways to add money to your Grabpay wallet without a credit card. Here are a few options. Bank transfer. You can transfer money from your bank account to your Grabpay wallet. Over-the-counter cash deposit. You can deposit cash into your Grabpay wallet at a participating convenience store or bank. Grabpay top-up voucher. You can purchase a Grabpay top-up voucher at a participating retailer. If you're interested in learning more about Grabpay, please click on the link below. Additional tips. You can also use Grabpay to pay for bills and top up your prepaid mobile phone. You can earn Grab Rewards points every time you use Grabpay. You can link your Grabpay wallet to your Grab Rewards loyalty program. You can use Grabpay to book flights and hotels. So, can you use Grabpay without a credit card? The answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to know before you do. If you're looking for a convenient and secure way to pay for your Grab services, then Grabpay is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching.